Hey, what's up, guys? It's Caden here, and got a fidget. I got a fidget spinner. Psych, this is my friend Lucas's.
Yeah.
Psych, got my own, and it lights up.
Mine's better. It glows in the dark.
Lights up. Yeah, nobody cares.
Yes.
Yeah. It'll light up. Just spin test. There you go. Shut up. What are you laughing about?
No.
I can do a few tricks. Oh, my ankle!
It's probably boring to everyone right now.
Come here. Put your head in the camera.
Oh yeah.
Let me see yours. Like, put your head like right here. You keep it there.
What was that? It's not interesting to anyone
Anyway.
besides you.
Hey, you stoned, bro? Yeah.
Okay, no, let's go over. Now let's.
What
What have we got?
Wait, you can do like tricks with them. Like,
Yeah, I can do it one finger.
yeah, that's like, dude, that's so easy.
Why can't I see mine?
You have to put it up in the camera. This is my video.
Mine's stupid.
No, not.
Okay, let's go. Let's actually start this already. It's interesting to no one yet.
Alright. So what do you want to do then?
I don't know. Let's start this.
Oh, hit the tablet. Oh no.
That was your fault. You tried to catch it.
You guys. Poke you. What? Yours is yours. Yours is better.
Just start this game already.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a game of favorites.
Yeah,
Anyway.
we made this up. If people start.
Oh hey. I can make more of me. What do I do? Oh! That's how you zoom in.
Zoom in on me.
No, sorry guys. Anyway, we're gonna play a game of fidget. So first thing, you take it and just toss it to the other hand
Take this seriously.
and catch it.
Have to go like this, and you have to like. you have to be like this, and then like throw it, and then you like catch it like this,
Oh god.
Okay. It's gonna be like 5 minutes.
It's gonna be 5 minutes before we even start the game. And let me start.
Zoom in on me.
You stoned, bruh? You stoned?
Zoom in on me.
You stoned, bruh? You stoned? Yeah. We just messing around with the zoom. I never even knew that my tablet had a zoom on it.
Whoa, now you do.
Hey. Wait. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Alright. First trick. Take it, toss it to the other hand. And it has these right here to hold it. You have to catch it by that. It doesn't have to be spinning, and it can be, but it doesn't.
Stop giving it to Mine's better. I'm doing my tricks. Okay. Mine's one try. Let's go back.
So like, show the whole thing.
I can't. Look how it looks on the camera. like it's going so fast.
Oh!
It looks like it's going so slow, but it's not.
Guys, in real life, the
It's
thing is going so fast.
going a lot. There.
Oh, there you go. Fine. You have to use mine for this because it has to be like lighting up. Just take it, balance it on a thumb,
Oh my god, it looks like it's going so fast.
and then just like flip it over and just.
Look at it.
Alright, let's just use his.
Give me my.
I'm gonna steal it.
Okay, I'll have yours.
So just like take it, flip it around, put it on a finger, and toss it to another finger.
This is it's a lot harder than you think.
Just like.
So slow. I can't take this seriously.
Like none of us can. Just like take it to a finger. We're hitting each other. No.
Stop dropping it. What's the trick already?
How about we both have like Fidget F-I. I don't know how to spell Fidget, guys. I have to do it on my fingers. Just don't laugh, okay? I'm gonna slap you.
Fidget.
Yeah, okay. We each have E.
No, we don't.
Yes, just act like it. This video's gonna be like 20 minutes long. If we don't.
It looks like it's going so fast.
Maybe it's bruh. No! Don't zoom.
Yeah.
Don't zoom.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just like, we have to make it do an illusion. Like, act like it's going like that. We have to do that. So, like, you have to hold it like that. Hold it the other way.
Let me do it. Which way?
Oh! I know I'm gonna do it.
Illusions for days.
I did not mean for that to happen. It just flung in the grass. Missed. Alright, guys. That's it for this. That's it for this
We
video.
barely even started.
Yeah, we have. That's it for this video. My girl. My girl.